this video, we're going to be talking about the state tax return, how to add it, how to navigate through it, and how to get Market Electronic and even add the bank product. A couple side notes: state returns are very different from state to state, so we're only going to take one example. Hopefully, it is the state you're living in, and in which case, well, you'll be well off. But the main thing is just to really demonstrate the concepts and the navigational features of the state return, and they should stay very consistent from state to state. So let's add our state, number 10. Click OK. Select it from the list. We're going to click that it's a resident long form for California. I'm going to pull our depreciation over and say yes, everything's good. So what that does is then populates all of my information. Just kind of walking down the menu, you can see again, very similar methodology here. We start at 1 and we work our way down, and we should hit all of the items. Now, personal information, credits, you get down to your refund amount. You've got your total payments, what you paid in taxes. If you're ready to market electronic, that's number 11. In there you also have your bank product return. You have your 540X if you're looking for the amended. It's right there in front of you. Now, some of the states have phased out the amended return as we're used to it, to where it's really just a yes or no checkbox kind of functionality under personal information. So there are a couple of states where that has differed, and if you don't see it on the main screen for your state, it would then be under personal information, amended return, yes or no. Now, what we're going to look here is we're going to look at our form finder. So similar to the federal, where it's over here, we just located it up here in the state. And you can go ahead and just type in anything that you're looking for. You can either search by form number. By typing in a 9, pulls up anything that's got a 9 in it. Or you can type in anything that, just start typing and X'd. There you go. It finds the form for you. Very, very simple, right? You can get into your personal information. There are other categories in here that you may need to reference. So personal information, other categories, does have some information that needs to be accessed from time to time. And other than that, we are going to look at the electronic information menu here. Do you want to file the California state electronically? Yes, I do. Now, you have this other option where it says number 7, send state through bank. If you click send state through bank, the state return will follow the federal. So if it's a direct deposit, if it was a check, it's then going to be, you'll print the check in your office. So it follows the federal as far as the way that it's going to process. You exit. Are you ready to print this? Yes or no? Nah, we know what it is. Go ahead and click exit here. And then we're done with the return. You can see that it tells you you have this return attached to this, or you have this state attached to this return, and you can go in and add as many as you want. You can obviously file the state independent of the federal and so forth. Now, what a lot of people, funny enough, we get a lot of questions. How do I delete a state? And it's too close to them. Good thing it's not a snake, or it would have bit. But it's right up here, number 1. So if you want to delete that state, just double click in there and you select the state from the list. Click OK, and you would then delete your state. Easy to add right back. So if you're getting a result that you're not comfortable with, you think you just basically want to scratch it and start over, you can just come right back in, click California, click OK, answer these couple of quick questions. Maybe you say no this time and see how it changes your refund. Okay, so that's a state in a nutshell. Hopefully it all made sense to you and you have an amazing tax season. Thank you so much.